You'll never believe it, but we're going on a trip again. Welcome to Vlog Day 13. It's 6 o'clock. We're going to Kansas.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. George.
Yo. It's Vlog Day 13.
Really?
Yeah.
So a few weeks ago, you guys saw we went on a trip and we did a big trip. And we left our dog in Kansas. And so now we are going back to Kansas to pick up our dog and see my mom's family. We're gonna hang out and do some fun stuff. And so now it's just traveling back down to Kansas along straight roads and nothing really, and Madeline's stretching her hands out.
All the family on my mom's side is gonna be there this week. So we're going there for 4 days. 4 days. Yeah, there's a cold front coming through, so it won't be in the hundreds. It'll just be in the 80s. So yeah, it's a nice day. It's really cloudy, so it's good for driving. And take a look at these clouds.
Hello, where'd you go?
Welcome to Quick Trip. Total flashbacks to a couple weeks ago when we were at this exact same location getting coffee on a Monday. There's a lot of road work here.
Tractor.
That's that giant water park with the huge slide that the kid died on.
That 10-year-old kid.
I don't know. Looks fun though. Do you have cash?
I like Kansas tags they have. Hi there. Hi. Closer, I won't.
Got Brahms.
It looks like we're about 16 minutes away, a little less, 14 minutes, I don't know, something like that.
Anyway,
Guys, we're almost here. We're almost here. Arlette, hello. Okay, we arrived at the house and we get to see our dog. Scarlett, say hi to the YouTube.
hello.
Oh, look at that cute face. Okay, so and George is.
I'm trying to explain where Ellsworth is.
Geography.
If you live in Minnesota, if you live in Wisconsin, you know what I'm talking about. For everyone else in the U.S., you don't. Minnesota, Wisconsin. The river goes in here. Minneapolis is about right here, and then you kind of go southeast a bit to like right here, and that's where Ellsworth is.
And that's where you find a cheese curd.
And that's where you find the most amazing cheese curds on the planet.
You wanna come out? Let's go.
I think right here by the door.
Scarlett, you come.
What's up, fam? Welcome to Kansas.
I already said.
Now your nightly concert.
Yes, we're in Kansas. We got our own house. We're at the farmhouse with our cousins. We got a douchebag, and now we're at the house. We got spaghetti for dinner. That's a mouse.
I'm at the farm again. Ellie, look.
Wait, your other hand isn't moving. You're not doing it right. You're not doing.